Good evening, everyone. In this video, I just wanna share my honest review about eSalon product, and I'm also going to share my beauty routine during summertime, and also how to dye your hair without damage at home, and how to grow your healthy hair too. So I hope my information will be helpful for the people who don't wanna go to hair salon right now, or who wanna save some money, because I pay more than $300 every time I go my hair salon, because I ask him to dye my hair and also cut and also deep treatment. So yeah, and he is also very good hairstylist, so it costs a lot. So and I recently recognized I can't enjoy conversation with him anymore, so it's very private reason. So but I just didn't wanna go to my hair salon recently, so I just gave it a try and it worked so beautifully. So I was very amazed. So I just wanna talk about my honest opinion about eSalon. And eSalon is a pretty reliable company. It's pretty big company and also got many beauty awards and also many famous stylists on YouTube also admit the quality. And I know a lot about chemicals because researching about chemicals is one of my hobbies. So I check their ingredient in detail, and I think their ingredients are pretty safe and safer than boxed hair dye in drugstore, because if you buy boxed cheap hair dye, you might damage your hair permanently actually, because some young people also leave the chemical for too long time because they just wanna, how can I say, more vivid color. But you might lose your healthy hair by doing such a thing. And you should follow the instruction. And this company also give me very, simple instruction too. And here is my name. And I just tried this one. I just retouched my hair, and my hair color become very beautiful without damage, and I even could feel more elasticity and firmness of my hair after I dyed my hair with this mixture, the eyes color and also developer. And I always wanted to have red hair, like I like red hair, so this copper color was perfect for me. And I also bought this one from Amazon. All of these are around $4, I guess. And you can easily find on Amazon. This is rat tail comb and also clips. This is useful when you block your hair like this. And by this way you can dye your hair evenly. But if you don't have clips, you can also use hairband, just like tie up your hair separately. Will work too, because I always did that. And I also bought this one in Japan. From $1 shop Daiso, and contains everything like gloves, ear cap, and comb, and caps, hair caps. But I didn't use these because this company even includes gloves. Pretty good quality gloves, and also I think actually this container is also I think good quality plastic. And they also gave me extra stuff stain guard and stain remover and shampoo and classic conditioner. I still didn't try that, but I also read many good reviews about their shampoo and conditioner. And this hair dye didn't stain my skin at all, although boxed hair dye stain my skin easily. So I even didn't need to use stain remover too. And they also contain stain guards. And even this stain guards ingredient are good ingredient because they use coconut oil, petroleum gel, petroleum jelly. It's basically Vaseline and castor oil and sunflower seed oil and beeswax. Looks all natural ingredients. So, but you can also use simply Vaseline if you don't have enough stain guard. So you don't need to worry. Anyway, this was very easy to dye my hair. And I still didn't use second bottle. So I can dye my hair again. I just retouched my hair with this. It was very easy. And because this is custom-made hair dye, you can pick up exactly the color you want. And after you after you remained your hair for a while until the hair color absorb into your hair, you should keep this bottle because you can fill up with the warm water later. And instruction said fill the bottle with water and and if you don't have leftover color, you can just fill the bottle with water. And when you go to your shower room, just wearing your gloves and just massage the liquid into your hair and scalp so that you can dye your hair very evenly. And this is very easy. I'm not good at to dye my hair by myself. But this really worked beautifully. So I can really recommend eSalon product, and I will purchase their product again in the future too. And if you have extra damaged hair, you can also mix 3 to 5 grams of hydrolyzed collagen powder to nourish your hair and also prevent hair damage from hair dye. Because when you use hair dye, like hair developer, your hair cuticle open, and when you mixed collagen powder, you can dye your hair without damage or minimize hair damage during you are dyeing your hair. And if you don't have collagen powder, you can also use honey. I always mix 1 tablespoon of honey when I use boxed hair dye. But I don't buy boxed hair dye. It's very rare. If I buy boxed hair dye, I just buy Japanese brand hair dye because it's easy to dye my hair. They have many foam version of hair dye, so you don't need to use hairbrush too. But I don't recommend boxed hair dye because their chemicals are too strong. If you don't care about damage at all, you can use cheap boxed hair dye. But if you care about hair damage or quality of your hair, I recommend you to buy little bit better quality hair dye because it's still much cheaper than going to hair salon. And if you save like, yeah, $200 to $300. You can also buy many hair product later too. Kundal is always my favorite brand, and my friends, my Korean friends and also German friend, she also told me she really loves this product after she started to use the same product as me. Yeah, white musk is also my favorite scent. But they also have a baby powder scent or another fragrance too. So, and it's also pretty affordable price. And if you think you need to take care of your damaged hair, you can also use this one as a protein pack. Yeah, this is Indian brand. I also love their soap, their neem soap. Really clean up my body well and my husband's body because he healed all his pimples on his back by using their soap, their neem soap. And you can buy all these products from Amazon. And I recently discovered this one, castor oil soap, and this soap is very useful because you can wash all your face and body and hair, so you can wash all over your body with this. And ingredients are very good, very natural, all natural ingredients. Coconut oil, palm oil, cocoa butter, shea butter. Yeah, and also contain lemon essential oil and peppermint essential oil. This soap smells amazing and also doesn't dry up my skin and hair. So, because I'm living in California, sometimes we have a power outage. So, when everything down, I just need, I need to take a shower only with one candle in darkness. So in such a case, this soap is my lifesaver because I can easily wash my body and face and hair only with this soap. This is also very useful for a short trip because when you use hotel shampoo, sometimes you ruin all your effort by using the cheap, very strong shampoo, strong chemical shampoo in the business hotel. So I always bring my shampoo and conditioner when I go to a short trip. Yeah, and I just need to bring this one. So I think this is very useful. And this one is a gift from my friend. And this is also very good. Like my hair looks very shiny and smooth, but not glossy at all. Yeah, and made from all good ingredients. So I really love this product. I use this one only for special occasion when I wanna make straight, smooth hair. And I also love the packaging. It's very pretty with baby pink. This lifts up my mood. So, yeah, thank you, Babette-san, for giving me this one. Yeah, I really cherish this one. And the smell also subtle. So, yeah, smell like vanilla essence, but very elegant smell, not too strong. So I also love the smell too. And this is also my favorite hair brush. You can detangle your hair without losing your hair. So, and not painful at all. So, and very light and easy to clean. So I really love this brush too. Yeah, you sometimes need to wash your brush because hairbrush actually has many bacteria. So all you need is just soak in the diluted soap liquid. You can use also your hair shampoo or baby soap. I usually use liquid castile soap, but you can also use your hair shampoo. To wash your hairbrush and dry up under the sunlight, because sunlight is very effective to sanitize bad bacteria. So I often sanitize my makeup brush and hairbrush under the sunlight. And this is my red light therapy belt and also Dyson hair dryer. I don't use Dyson hair dryer so often, but I'm now using terahertz hair dryer from Japan. But when you are a busy person, I think this dryer will be very helpful. And when you use only cold wind, it will not damage your hair by heat and also lock the moisture in your hair. So I always dry up my hair only with cold wind. I just use warm wind for 1 minute and later I turn off the heat and I only use cold wind setting. And if you are losing your hair from stress or from other reason, red light therapy also will work very well. And you don't need to buy super expensive helmet like red light therapy helmet because it's the same. You can also purchase red light therapy belt and apply the light on your scalp. That's all. I hope my hair care routine tips will be helpful for your life. And thank you for watching. And if you have your favorite hair care product or good way to take care of your hair, please let me know. Sweet dream. Bye bye.